Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Fred. My name is Fred Said. Do you think there's a massive financial difference in buying a home with a lower interest rate rather than risking and waiting for interest rates to go higher? Well, today I'm going to answer that question for you strictly with numbers, and I'm going to show you a specific example, and I hope that it opens your eyes to what it really means to take advantage of these lower interest rates. Let's say, for example, you were going to buy a home that was $300,000. and you were going to put a down payment of 10%, which is $30,000. That means you need a loan of $270,000. And if you get a traditional 30-year fixed mortgage on that $270,000 at a 4% interest rate, your monthly principal and interest payment is going to be $1,289. And your total payoff amount during that 30 years on that $270,000 borrowed at 4% interest on 30 years is going to be $464,000. Now, if interest rates went higher, let's say 1% higher, let's see what the difference is going to be. So that same $270,000 loan amount on a 30-year fixed loan at 5% interest, 1% higher, is going to give you a monthly increase in payment of $1,449, which is $160 more a month compared to the 4% interest. And then your long-term payoff over the 30 years is going to be $521,000. That means over the life of that loan, when you compare a 4% interest 30-year fixed or a 5% interest 30-year fixed, you're going to pay an additional $57,000 in interest. So in my opinion, if you can take advantage of these rates around the 4% mark right now, you're going to save over $57,000 on a $300,000 property and save over $160 a month in your payment. So I say don't risk the market increasing interest rates. Don't risk that whatsoever, because you could take advantage of the prices now and the total payoff in 30 years. So I hope this video gives you a little bit of information on why it's important financially to take advantage of these low interest rates while you can. And visit our website 7 days a week at www.bestocproperties.com to read our blogs and see our little quick tips just like this every single day. And tune in next week for another edition of Fridays with Fred. Why? Because that's what Fred said.